Hello and welcome to CRB Thailand and this video about a trip to Lopburi Thailand made in March of 2025. This trip was made on a State Railway of Thailand second class AC, air-conditioned, train, and so here is an overview of the SRT system. The State Railway of Thailand, SRT, was founded in 1890 as the Royal State Railways of Siam, RSR, by King Rama V to modernize the country's infrastructure. The first line, connecting Bangkok and Ayutthaya, opened in 1896, and the RSR was officially renamed the SRT in 1951. I took Train 7 from the new Bangkok Bang Su Grand Station, more correctly named the Krung Thep Apawat Central Terminal, which opened with full commercial service starting in November 2021. Until then, trains departed from the historic Wat Phra station in central Bangkok, which still continues to operate some local, commuter, and ordinary services, and remains a popular spot to visit for its historic architecture and to see old locomotives. Wat Phra Railway Station was completed in 1916, with construction beginning in 1910 during the reign of King Rama V and completed in the reign of King Rama VI. It was officially opened to the public on June 25, 1916. Train 7 is the only second-class AC train available to Lopburi, and tickets can only be purchased the day before your trip. This ticket costs 289 Thai baht, which is about $9 US each way. Second-class AC trains are the only non-sleeper trains available in the SRT system, and so are the best seat-only coach you can get. Third-class coaches are often connected in the same train as the second-class coaches. They are fan-only with bench-type seats and usually travel with all the windows open for ventilation. My train left at 9 a.m. and arrived in Lopburi at 10:45 a.m. for a 1 hour and 45-minute trip. This is the same train that stops at the Ayutthaya ruins, 1 hour, Pitsanulok for trips to the Sukhothai ruins, 4 hours, and Chiang Mai, 11 hours. There is a State Railway of Thailand ticket stamp system, which is a program that allows travelers to collect unique stamps from different stations as a souvenir and to record their journeys. Tourists can get a Thai Railway passport booklet and then take it to any ticket office to get stamps from the stations they visit. Thai Railway passport booklets are available at the Thai Railway Museum at Bangkok Railway Station, Kuala Lumpur. The museum is open from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Wednesday through Sunday and is closed on Monday and Tuesdays. In front of the Lopburi Train Station is this historical steam locomotive, and directly across the street is the first ruin of this trip, Wat Phra Rattana Mahathat. As seen in the ticket stub photo, most of the ruins here fall into the significant ruins in Lopburi province category and cost 50 baht or around $1.50 for entry. The ticket officer let me store my luggage briefly in the ticket booth while I perused this ruin. Hello from Lopburi, Thailand. It's Monday, March 24th. I just took the State Railway of Thailand train here. It left Bangkok Bang Su Grand Station at 9 o'clock a.m. and I got here at 10:45. It's the same train that goes to Chiang Mai. It also stopped through Ayutthaya. Right across the street is this ruin So I thought before I headed to the hotel, I'd come over here and get some video. Wat Phra Rattana Mahathat is an ancient, large royal temple in the center of Lopburi, Thailand, founded by the Khmer Empire when they controlled the area in the 12th or 13th centuries, or around 800 years ago. The temple is notable for its Khmer, Ayutthaya, and other architectural styles due to continuous renovation and expansion, with the main central prang being the oldest structure and is a striking example of Khmer architecture. South of the Wihan Luang lies this modest-sized ordination hall, its doors and windows adorned in French style. There are prang rai, satellite prongs, situated around the perimeter of the grounds. Every star fruit-shaped corner is adorned with a stucco relief of Tep Panom deities facing outwards. The deities' faces are oblong with connected eyebrows, presenting the Yutong arc, while their headdress is in a triangle with a halo. To the west stands a towering jaw prong built with laterite and mortar, with intricate stucco relief of Buddha images and the Lord Buddha's history on the gable, reflecting the rich tapestry of the Mahayana Buddhist sect. The Gapura arched gate to the Grand Prong is of Lao art, presenting very beautiful stucco relief. The Gapura, extravagant entryway, is believed to have been originally constructed during Khmer's ascendancy and underwent renovations during the reign of King Ramusan, 1369 to 1395, King Maha Chakrapat, 1509 to 1569, and King Narai the Great, 1656 to 1688. Therefore, the patterns are mixed and represent many periods. Adjacent to the pavilion is the Wihan Luang, a monumental structure commissioned during the reign of King Narai the Great in the 17th century. Adorned with a Thai-style rectangular main entrance and French Gothic-inspired pierced windows, the Wihan enshrines a Buddha image on a masonry base known as a chukachi. This seated Phra Puta La Raburak image is in the attitude of being protected by the seven-headed Naga. He sits on the coils of the Naga snake. Carved from sandstone, this Buddha statue stands 3 meters tall with a 1.5 meter lap width. It symbolizes the protective presence of the Buddha over the city of Lopburi. This prong originally contained various Buddha images. The famous ones are votive tablets of the Lopburi period, such as Phra Huyan and Phra Ruang, which were discovered in large numbers. Thai Buddha amulets, which evolved from votive tablets, are often simply called amulets and are small Buddha images or sacred objects originally created to be enshrined in chedai, stupas, as relics to commemorate the Buddha. Phra Huyan is a famous ancient Thai Buddha amulet from the Lopburi period, characterized by its unique elongated ears that reach the shoulders. Phra Ruang simply refers to amulets created during the Lopburi period, the 11th to 13th centuries. During the Lopburi period, which was heavily influenced by the Khmer Empire, amulets were made featuring figures like the Buddha and Hindu deities in a distinct Khmer style, which is also known as the Lopburi style of art. Upon stepping onto the temple grounds, visitors are greeted by the Sala Pruang Pavilion, a place for a king to get changed before attending a religious ceremony in the Wihan or Ubasa to its west. Now, only its pillars remain, hinting at its former grandeur. After touring the Wat Phra Rattana Mahathat, I went back to the train station to get a ride to my accommodation, the MRK Resort. MRK Resort is a resort and massage center about 4 miles to the southwest of the train station. I stayed here for 4 nights from March 24 through 28, 2025, during the first month of the hot season. I had arranged for them to pick me up, and they said the cost would be 200 baht each way, but they never charged me for this. I found this resort on Booking.com. It is a 3-star accommodation and cost $37 per night, including breakfast, which was delivered to your room each morning. This resort is a little different in that there is no front desk, so I wasn't too sure about it at first, but it turned out to be an enjoyable place to stay. I was able to get an English-speaking contact there who arranged for my car tour on day 4 of the trip. Most of the staff doesn't speak any English at all. The massage center was a serious Thai massage provider with a staff of uniformed masseuses trained in the art of deep Thai massage. They would stand on your back using poles for balance and massage you with their feet using their full body weight. A 1-hour massage cost 200 baht, or around $6. Many of them doubled as waitresses at the restaurant and were very friendly. The rooms were individual chalets at ground level with AC, a coffee pot, refrigerator, and daily maid service. The Wi-Fi didn't work, so I used my cell phone mobile hotspot, which was fine. MRK stands for Mame Ratkut, which directly translates as driver's license, so I never did quite figure that one out. The restaurant was a half-kilometer walk down the road, so that took a little adjustment, but turned out to be no problem. This restaurant accepts only cash, so no credit card here, but the prices were very reasonable, and they had beer and liquor there. The hours were 10 a.m. to 10:30 p.m., and they were often very busy serving large groups, such as wedding receptions. I offered 100 baht, $3, to any masseuse who would subscribe to my YouTube channel, and when word got around about that, masseuses came from all over to participate. We had a lot of fun with that, as can be seen in the photo of the 100 baht bills on the table in front of the masseuses. I think I picked up 10 subscribers or so from that. This video will be followed by several more about this trip to Lopburi. The next one will feature several wats, houses, and prawns in Lopburi. The King Narai National Museum and the Lopburi Zoo are coming up. Then out of town, I visited 3 more wats of notable interest. On the day of my return journey by train, the earthquake of Friday, March 28, 2025 occurred, so this trip was capped with a royal grand finale, so to speak. I hope to see you in my upcoming videos.